In this video I will show you how to insert dotted line in Excel. Make sure you can insert dotted line to either style your cell borders or to create manual shapes. So the quickest method is to select the cell which you want to modify, for example this one, and then go to the Home tab and click on this small arrow next to the border and select the line style and click dotted line. Now your cursor will turn into a pencil, so click on the cell edges to apply the dots like this one. Moreover, you can also go to the border icon and click on the line color and select the color of your choice. For example, green color, you can make it green like this one. So moreover, there is another precise method. For this you need to select the cells, for example this one, and click on the home and click on the found group and click in this small arrow and click on the border tab, and here you need to select the dashed line and now choose the color of your choice, for example red one, and you can select the box. If you want the outlines around the cell, you can select it, and if you want the insert, you can also select that option, and if you want to make a diagonal line, you can select this option. So it's up to you which one you like this one. So for this I'll be opting this one and click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. Moreover, if you need a floating dotted line that is not attached to the cell grid, for this you need to click on the insert tab, click the illustrations and click on the shapes and click on this solid line, and now hold down the shift key and drag your mouse towards the right side to draw the line. So when you draw the line, you will see that there is a shape format tab on the ribbon. Click on that and go to the shape outline and click the color of your choice, for example blue color, and again click on that and choose the thickness, for example select the 2 before PT, and again go to the shape outline and click the dashes which you want like this one. So moreover, you can move this line to anywhere on the sheet like this one. You can also rotate it like this one and make it horizontal like this one. So you can copy and make a duplicate and use in another cells like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can insert dotted line in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.